We are very happy that the MF India, which is happening for the first time, is coming in Chennai, and it's a very strong platform to bring in the customers, to bring in the stakeholders together at a common platform. At MF India 2026, we are proud to be presenting two of our flagship technologies on display. One is the HDF-N series fiber laser cutting machine, and the second is ADS series CNC press brakes. The HDF-N series laser cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine, is one of the high technology, high speed, and one of the most reliable laser cutting machines. We utilize our own Braille's laser source, which gives a very, very high speed, stable cutting performance on various different materials like aluminum, stainless steel, copper, brass, and giving the maximum productivity at a lower running cost. Alongside this, we are also showing the ADS series CNC press brakes. These have been in the market, and they are one of the most reliable, the most accurate, and gives you a very high repeatability on the bending sequences. The focus of Durma India will not only be to sell a single machine as such. We are always focusing on providing the correct solution to the customer and being a technological partner throughout their lifetime. Shortly, you will be seeing our machines with robotic press brakes coming in India very soon, and that will prove that the cost versus performance is going to be the key factor in the coming future, because Chennai is one of the biggest market for automobile, for construction machines, for railways, for aerospace, and for engineering goods, where they'll be able to see the machines live demonstration, as well as we will be able to discuss for their future requirements, including a complete B2B lines, blind to bend lines. We welcome and we invite all of them to come to our booth during the show.